In the dynamic and data-intensive world of the oil and gas industry, effective data management and analytics are crucial for driving operational efficiency, optimizing resource utilization, and making informed decisions. However, did you know that companies with skilled data management and analytics professionals in the oil and gas sector experience up to 35% faster decision-making and 20% lower operational costs? Without proper training and expertise, professionals may struggle to harness the power of data, leading to inefficient processes, missed opportunities, and potential competitive disadvantages. Without the knowledge and skills gained from this training, individuals may find themselves ill-equipped to navigate the complexities of data management and analytics in the oil and gas industry, hindering their ability to extract valuable insights, optimize resource allocation, and drive data-driven decision-making within their organizations. This comprehensive training course is designed to equip professionals with the knowledge and practical skills needed to excel in advanced oil and gas data management and analytics. From mastering data acquisition and integration techniques to leveraging cutting-edge data, visualization tools, and predictive modeling algorithms, participants will gain a comprehensive understanding of what it takes to turn raw data into actionable insights and drive operational excellence in the oil and gas sector. For organizations in the oil and gas industry, investing in this training can lead to improved data-driven decision-making, enhanced operational efficiency, optimized resource utilization, and a competitive edge in the market. By cultivating a team of skilled data management and analytics professionals, companies can unlock the full potential of their data assets, identify patterns and trends, and make informed decisions that drive growth, profitability, and sustainability. Individuals who complete this training will emerge as trusted experts in oil and gas data management and analytics, capable of driving organizational success through their in-depth knowledge, analytical skills, and commitment to data-driven solutions. They'll gain the expertise to manage and integrate complex datasets, develop predictive models, create compelling data visualizations, and provide data-driven recommendations that drive strategic decision-making, making them invaluable assets in the ever-evolving world of data and analytics in the oil and gas industry. Don't let the power of data remain untapped within your organization. Elevate your analytical capabilities and unlock new opportunities by enrolling in the Advanced Oil and Gas Data Management and Analytics Training course today. Spaces are limited, so act now to secure your spot and join the ranks of skilled data professionals shaping the future of data-driven decision-making in the oil and gas sector.